नमस्ते बच्चों। वरुण ने पूछा, समीर तुम यहाँ अकेले बैठे क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here alone, sitting alone here? What are you doing? समीर बोला, भैया मैं कागज की नावें बना रहा हूँ, फिर इन पर पानी बचाने के संदेश लिखकर उन्हें शहर के कोने-कोने में भेजूंगा ताकि लोग बारिश के पानी को इकट्ठा करें। Then Samir told, brother, I am making a paper boat, and in that paper boat I am writing some message, and I am sending it into the शहर means city, into the each corner of the city. Then at this time when it is raining, everyone will collect this which I am sending. जल की एक एक बूंद कीमती है। क्यों? मैंने ठीक कहा ना भैया? Every drop of water is precious. Did I say it correctly, brother? The Samir told. He was making a paper boat. He wrote some message in that and he was sending it in the water so that everyone can take that and read that message what is written in that paper boat. वरुण ने हंसते हुए कहा, हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक कहा समीर. Varun was laughing and said, yes Samir, what you said is correct. लाओ मैं भी संदेश लिखने में तुम्हारी मदद करूं. Come, I will also help you in writing the messages. यह बात वहां से गुजर रही एक हिंदी पत्रिका की टीम ने सुनी. This was listened by a team of people who was passing by that way. They were from the Hindi magazine. These magazine people heard what they two were talking. उन्होंने देखा कि समी और वरुण हर नाव पर एक एक संदेश लिखकर उसे पानी में बहा रहे हैं. They saw that the Hindi magazine team people saw that the Samir and Varun were writing the messages in each and every boat and they were sending it in the water. उन्होंने नावों को उठाकर उन पर लिखे संदेश पढ़े. They took the boat and read the messages written in that boat. उन पर लिखा था, जल ही जीवन है. In that it was written that water is life. जल नहीं तो कल नहीं. If there is no water, there is no future. बूंद बूंद की कीमत जानो. Each and every drop you should know the importance. You should know the importance of each and every drop. बारिश का जल इकट्ठा करो. That means collect all the rain water. Adi, etc. These were the lines written in each boat. फिर क्या था? उन्हें बाल पत्रिका में छापने के लिए एक कहानी मिल गई. इस अनोखे ढंग से लिखे संदेश उनके लिए किसी पानी की बूंद से कम कीमती न थे. Then what happened? They got a news for them to print in the children magazine. They got a story to what they want to print in the children magazine. This is a unique way of giving a message to everyone about the importance of water. अनोखे ढंग means unique way. पानी के this message was not less important than the every drop of water. Like every drop of water is important. Same way, this message which these children are sending are also so important. बाल पत्रिका की टीम का एक आदमी दोनों बच्चों के द्वारा बनाए नावों के चित्र खींचने लगा. Then one man from this magazine team came and he started taking the photos of these two children. अगले दिन घर में एक पत्र आया. Next day, a letter came to their house. वरुण और समीर की माँ ने पत्र खोलकर पढ़ा. वरुण and Samir's mother opened the letter and she read. पत्र में लिखा था, आपके लिखे संदेश केवल भारत में ही नहीं बल्कि विदेशों में भी पहुंचाए जाएंगे. In the letter it was written that what are the messages you sent? It will be not only in India but it will be sent to the whole world. इस कोशिश के लिए आपको पुरस्कार दिया जाता है. For this effort, an award has been given to you. हमारे बाल पत्रिका में आपके अनोखे संदेश छापे जाएंगे. In our children magazine, all your messages will be printed. यह सुनकर दोनों भाई खुशी से उछल पड़े. Hearing this, both the brothers started jumping in happiness. माँ ने दोनों को गले से लगा लिया. The mother hugged both of them. धन्यवाद बच्चों.